Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda, syawal. I come from Sidoarjo, especially near from Sidoarjo. And then now I'm as a student in University Islamic Malang or in Malang, Ibrahim Malang. And then I take majors of chemistry. And then why I choose chemistry as my majors because I like chemistry, especially when I studied from uh, junior high school, and then I continue my study about chemistry in senior high school, and then I take majors of chemistry in university. Because of that, I take chemistry majors in University of Malang. And then beside of it, I like majors of chemistry because uh, the, because there are many job can I take in soon. And what's my favorite food? I like fried rice, and then my hobby is swimming. And right now, I wanna uh, I wanna explain about chemical environment, and then especially in second semester in this I study. And then right now I wanna explain the title. I take a title chemical environment, and then next, yes, climate change. And then yes, there are climate change. Can our prediction rainy season, dry season, rainy season, dry season, rainy season, dry season. Start from maybe 10 years ago, we can predictions some seasons in our country, but now there are so difficult to predictions our season, especially in our country. Why? Some research I got it. What virus cause climate change, and it's possible to predict future climate change. Yeah. Recent research from the Niels Bohr Institute at the University of Copenhagen shows that global warming may be the result of accumulations of chaotic events that are difficult to predict. The result is the research have been published in geophysical research letter, and for millions of years, the Earth came altered between about 100,000 years of ice age and about 10 until 15,000 years of warm climates like ours today. And then climate change is controlled by Earth orbit in space, or Earth still and distance from the sun. But there have also been other climate shifts in Earth history. Then what does it? Yeah, changing the past. By analysis, ice core drilled more than 3 kilometers in the Greenland ice sheet. Scientists can gain information about Earth temperature and climate back one 140,000 years. And the most well-known climate shift besides the end of the ice age was the series of climate change. During the ice age, in which temperature suddenly increased by 10 until 15 degrees in 10 years. And last climate change was probably 1,000 years old, and there the temperature dropped drastically and the climate changed again. And this happened several times during the ice age, and this shift in climate is called the ice curve. After 2 years, two scientists who discovered and described this phenomenon. However, the cause of such rapid climate change is unknown. Research have been unable to reproduce this through modern climate models. He explained that one climate scenario looked like a seesaw rising on one side. If sufficient weight is placed on the other side, of the tipping point. The climate will change from place to place. This could be increase in the CO2 content in the atmosphere that increase climate change. And then in the second scenario, the climate looks like a ball in the corner indicating one climate conditions. The ball will be consciously surprised by chaotic dynamic features such as storms, heat waves, territorial trends, and mountain acids to impact the oceans now and in the future. Next, duration occur from April to October and rainy seasons occur from October to November. It's last can our predict, but now it's too difficult for now, especially to predictions our seasons in our country especially. Yeah, that's why I have just explained about why the seasons in our country too difficult for predictions in as long as the time for the seasons. Another reason rate in our country. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Reason rate. Reason rate is the rate at which the concentrations of the reactants decreases or the rate of increase in the concretions of the product of a reaction per unit time. Yeah, and then next, this is the effect the rate of reactions. One there are four about that. Yeah, the first is constructions. If the constructions of the reactions increase, if the concretion of the reactions is increased, the rate of the reactions will also be faster. This happens because a substance with a high concentrations contain a greater number of pencils and distances, so that the reactions with our explosion progress which result in chemical reaction. Second, temperature chemical reaction will take place faster at high temperature, whereas if the temperature is low, the chemical reaction will be slower, because when the temperature increases, the kinetic energy of the particle also increases. This causes the motions of the particles to increase. This allows for effective conclusions between particles. Third, if there is a reaction to take place in more than one phase, then the collision between the particles occur on the surface of the substance, and the substance is increased by decreasing the particle size. The rate of the resulting reaction is much faster. And the fourth, catalyst is substantiated to accelerate the rate of reactions by lowering the excess energy without changing until the end of the process. Yeah, next. Abiotic environment. The abiotic environment consists of the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The atmosphere has four layers that differ in terms of temperature and air pressure due to differences in the absorptions of solar energy. And the first is atmosphere, and the second stratosphere, and the third troposphere. And the atmosphere is Earth blanket, and the stratosphere is Earth protective layer, and the troposphere the layer in which we live. And next, chemistry play a role in solving global problems, namely problems faced by the whole world. Global problem include problems in the fields of environment, medicine, geology, biology, and improvement of human resources or HR. Explains of global problems in the environment and energy crisis include and fuel in the form of oil, coal, and natural gas comes from fossils. Fossils are non-renewable natural resources because fossils are formed. Fossil fuel will run out, resulting in energy crisis. Humans must be able to find alternative energy sources to overcome the energy crisis. Chemistry plays a role in solving the energy crisis. Example of alternative energy sources are alcohol, nuclear energy, geothermal or sunlight. And next, biology, biogas, technology, livestock, on farm cause environment problem piles of dirt. They are not managed properly will cause loss, namely unpleasant others, a source of disease transmission and an eyesore. Biogas technology livestock on farm can cause environmental problems. Smell of the dirt that are not managed properly will cause losses, namely abrasive dust. And technology to convert animal waste into more benefit for human, which made it for forage and blue sky program. The blue sky program is programmed to aim to minimize air pollution due to energy use. And transportation is one of the causes of air pollution. Air pollution occurs due to excess emissions resulting from the use of energy. And then excess gas emission include carbon dioxide, hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. Next, global warming. Global warming is the process of increasing the average temperature of the Earth, atmosphere, sea, and the land. The increase in global temperature is expected to cause other changes such as rising sea levels and greenhouse effect. There is a change in the Earth's temperature which is getting higher, causing climate change in various regions of the world. And then ozone. There are ozone layer depletion, and some the effect of increased UV reaching the Earth. Affect human health, reducing agriculture and fluorescent field. And then ozone layer depletion. Ozone depletion is a condition that occurs when bromine and chlorine atoms come into direct contact with the Earth. Another air pollution in the house, cigarette smoke, carbon monoxide from cars and motorcycles, ammonia from household cleaners, parachlorobenzene from room deodorize, and camphor and nitrogen oxide from gas stove. Thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.